Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Most of you showed a lot of interest in the first video that I posted on my channel, which was on indoor plants. Also, several of you liked the short videos which I had posted earlier. Therefore, here I bring to you all the indoor plant collection that I'm having currently with me. We'll go one by one through it. So the first one here is the Syngonium plant. Now this Syngonium plant, I had also made a video where I showed you how to take care of your Syngoniums. So if you compare that video and this one, you can see the leaves have grown manifold. Also the tree has produced several leaves here. You can see so many small leaves too. Now this plant does not require much care. The only thing I do for this is just to spray some water. So here I have a sprayer. I'll use it to spray some water over here on the leaves and same for the soil as well. Now as you can see, I have actually repotted this plant here. So this is a bigger container in which I have added the same soil which was there in the earlier one plus a little bit more of another soil. So that's all for Syngonium. Next on my list is the ZZ plant. Now the ZZ plant has grown really well and it's one of my favorite. It can withstand any of the condition. Now you can see the branches have grown really long compared to the earlier one. Now there are some short videos on ZZ plants which you can have a look. I'll put it in the description section too. Now here too I have done a repotting. You can see here I've taken few stems from the original one and planted it to another container. The soil I have used is the same one. So you can see even the new one is also thriving quite well over here. The care for it also remains the same. I just spray few water droplets over here like this, and same thing I'll do for the soil also. Now keep in mind that the indoor plant doesn't require a lot of water and you can water it once or twice in a week. Just spray some water, it will thrive really well. Now let's have a look at the soil. So here you can see this is actually a soil made of compost and coco pit. Same soil I have used over here as well. So I can see like whenever you repot the ZZ plant, it really grows well. So both the plants are healthy, they look fresh, and these make an excellent home decor. You can keep it anywhere in the room. Next here I have is the lucky bamboo. Now this is a 3-layered lucky bamboo which I have over here. Now there's also a short video on this which I have posted. Now this lucky bamboo has really grown well. When I had received it online, there was hardly 1 or 2 leaves in it, but now you can see lot of leaves has come out of it and it is growing well too. Also I have changed the water today. You can see the roots are healthy, the stem is healthy, the leaves are also healthy. So this plant is doing really well. Next on my list is the snake plant. Now I have this beautiful yellow and green snake plant over here. It looks amazing. You can see this is really healthy plant. New leaf has come out of it, the side leaf that you're seeing right now. And there's also another small leaf which is currently sprouting. Now here if you see, this plant is really healthy and I have cut a portion because that one was drying out over there. So only that much portion has been cut. Apart from that, this plant is doing well. So here also I'll spray some water on it. Same will do on the soil too. Now the snake plant, it can thrive in any condition. Now here you can see that there is a small plant over there which I took from this portion. It was growing over here, so I thought like why to bother this plant. So I've replanted it or repotted it in a new pot. I've used the same soil plus I've added some beautiful stones. I actually wanted to create it as a home decor, so I've done this. Let the plant grow and maybe I'll show you like how it is. Also the stones adds a firmness to the plant so that it can stand and it will like not move here and there. You can see there's another small leaf too coming out of it, and there's a dried leaf too which I'll have to cut out as well. So even for the snake plant also I'm getting one more plant. So guys, it's really a good thing. You can just buy one plant and you can start repotting them. You can start replanting them in this way and you'll get multiple of indoor plants in your house at a very less cost. So here also let's just spray some water. Now all these plants did not receive water for about 1 week. So I'm spraying it all on these plants today. Now let me know how cute does this snake plant look actually. I really want it to grow so that I can show you in some of my upcoming videos. Next here I have is the Zade plant. Now this has been a big disappointment. Guys, I really need you to pour in your suggestions on how to save this plant. Now the first time when if you would have seen on my channel this plant, this was really healthy and had lot of leaves on its stem. But gradually the leaves started drooping down, it has dropped. I kept it indoors, but I think the conditions are not good for this plant. Therefore I have now shifted it to my balcony. So in the balcony the sunlight is indirect over there, so I can see like few leaves have started growing now. So I think the condition is more ideal in the balcony as compared to the inner house. So therefore I have also repotted this plant. You can see even this was there in a different container. Now I've shifted it to this container. It looks amazing over here. It's all fine. The stem looks healthy, but I'm just a bit skeptical about the leaves over here. So if you have any suggestions, please do write in the comment section on how to save a Zade plant. This is a beautiful plant, makes an excellent home decor. It's also a great air purifier as well. But I need to really make it survive. Now as I told you, this is my new container here. So these are all the collections of the indoor plants that I have currently in my home. It really gives a nice green touch to it. Oh, here also I'm spraying some water on this Zade leaf as well. Let's hope it survives well. So as I said, all these are my collections of the indoor plants. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think of my plant collection, and please do comment for the Zade plant as well. Now if you do like this video or all the videos, then please like, share and subscribe, and do comment in our channel. Also please click on the bell icon so that you can get all our notification. Thanks for watching the channel. Bye bye and have a great day.